Hey there, formulators! Welcome to the future of high-performance coatings. You know, in today's demanding industries, run-of-the-mill coatings just don't make the cut. Think aerospace, automotive, construction and marine. They all need coatings that are durable, chemical-resistant and thermally stable. Now more than ever, there's a buzz around eco-friendly solutions. Imagine coatings that not only protect but also help the environment by using sustainable materials and cutting down on energy consumption and waste. Exciting, right? So why should you join our training? First, embark on a coating renaissance. Dive into the latest tech and materials and become a visionary in your field. Second, master compliance prowess. Stay ahead of the game by turning regulatory hurdles into strategic advantages. But that's not all. Unlock industry alchemy, understand the unique needs of different sectors and create coatings that work like magic. Plus, experience synergistic convergence by networking with fellow experts, solving complex challenges together, and of course elevate your formulation mastery. Craft coatings that amaze with their quality and environmental consciousness. This training is perfect for R&D chemists, developers, formulators, technicians, scientists, and professionals in the coatings, polymers, and related industries. It's also great for those studying or researching coatings technology and materials science. Basically, if you're passionate about pushing the boundaries of what coatings can do, this is for you. Ready to transform your skills? Don't miss out. Register for our training today and become a true coating visionary. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now.